Okay. If you have any questions, or if you can see a live show, any questions, you can just leave your comments to us in the comment section. Here is the carbonization plant. After drying the material, then we can feed into this carbonization plant. It only takes nearly 10 minutes, and we can finish the carbonization. And then to using the slagging system, the discharging wrench to slag the plant, to slag the charcoal. Just during the discharging step, well, the wrench, we have the water cover outside, so it can just cool down these final products at the same time. And this is a slagging system. Materials can be like bamboo, wood, or straw dust, rice husk, or just coconut shell, palm shell, and so on. Just this kind of biomass. And also sludge, oil sludge, we can also process. All the equipment just equipped it with the purification system to purify the gas, the smoke that we need to emission. Okay, and this is the feeding system. Let's see about the raw material and the final products. Here is the raw material that we can process, and also some other materials. We can also just depend using this equipment and get the charcoal. It's different kinds of biomass. And this is the charcoal, wood vinegar, tar, waste gas. This is the final products. The main material that we want to get is the charcoal, and it can just be the flue to just burn, and also just like be the purifying material or fertilizer or just installation materials. The wood vinegar and the tar, we just always just burn them directly in the hot wind furnace. It may block the pipe in the material, so we just always burn them directly. But if you want to just collect them, I can also just with different equipment. And the waste gas. This kind of waste gas, this is the tail gas, and we were just using the cyclone dust collector to remove the dust inside, and then they can just return to the hot wind furnace to burn the reactor, so it can save our extra heating energy. Here is the different water content, different display parameters of the equipment. While the model we have is 1 temp per hour, 2 temp per hour, and 3 temp per hour. And the sizes can be referenced. All the equipment can be customized. If you need a larger one or smaller one, you can contact with our engineer to give you the certificate plan. The heating flue, we use the flue oil, ethane gas, natural gas, and we use indirect heating. That is for the fully continuous one. If you choose the batch type one, it's the direct heating to burn to the furnace. And here are the different project cases. And now we have our customer for the pyrolysis plants and carbonization plants in more than 120 countries. So it's very convenient for you to visit our product cases and to see the details of the processing line. Here's some feedback. And the company profile. Sorry, our name is Doing Holdings, and we are one of the subsidiary company of Doing Holdings. To include the technical design, research, development, machine production, sales and after-sales service. Here is a picture of our factory, and this is in Conley. Our factory is in Jiaozuo City, Henan Province, which is in central China. You can come here by plane or high-speed train to take you to our factory to see the details. This is a picture of factory and other products. We also have the main products, the lithium battery recycling machine, and PCB board recycling, aluminium, plastic, cableware, radiator recycling, and moreover, we also have the solar panel recycling equipment to recycle the waste solar panel. And we can get the coconut we can get the copper, aluminium, silicone, glass, and plastic from the waste solar panels. And for the lithium battery, we can get the black powder, copper powder, and aluminium powder from them. Here's our service. We include the on-sale service, pre-sale service, after-sale service. Most of our customers may call about the after-sale service. We have 1 year warranty, and our engineer can come to your places to help you to just installation, finish installation, and debugging, and also we can give you the technical training for workers. The pre-sale service is very welcome to come to our factory to see the processing line, detailed technique. We have the 1-to-1 configuration scheme. So our engineer can give you this plan to the placement site and other plan for you. Okay, and let's go back to the very beginning to see the 3D video of the carbonization plant. Except the carbonization technique, we also have the with tire pyrolysis plant, and with plastic pyrolysis plant, and also we have the waste engine oil refining equipment. It's different technique to recycle different kind of waste things. So if you want to just know more information to get the quotation price list, you can contact with our sales manager. Here is a 3D video. Our material can be all kinds of the biomass and sludge category, like the city sludge, the municipal sludge, or kind of rubbish, the electronic rubbish, so rubbish, and so on. Now, all main products we want to get is the charcoal. This is the drying machine, which is nearly 14 meters to just dry the material, lower the moisture to 15%. And after drying, they will feed them into the carbonization plant. It only takes nearly 10 minutes to 30 minutes, you can finish the whole processing line. We all just a continuous work which runs automatically, feed the raw material and drying them and combination reaction, and to just have the discharging system at the same time. First, we will use the belt conveyor with the divider to just feed the raw material into these silo, and then with the air shatters to feed them into the drying machine. The air shatter acts to just make a sealed environment to insulate the gas inside the equipment and prevent it from coming out. The drying machine, the temperature inside is nearly 200 degrees. It had the spiral plate inside that to just make these materials fully contact with the hot wind and to lower the moisture. And then here is the combination equipment. We also need to be sealed. It also needs to be sealed. So about the feeding step and the slagging step is also in a sealed environment, just because the combination cannot be in contact with the oxygen, otherwise it may be catch fire. We use the hot wind furnace to get the indirect heating, and the temperature in the furnace is nearly 400 to 600. After get the charcoal, I will use a slagging wrench to discharge them. And the hot wind and the combination plant, they will go to the drying machine, passing through a cyclone dust collector. It can save the energy, the heating energy. And the gas from the combination furnace will cooled in this cooling system and then go to the spraying tower to just purify them. So if you have any questions or want to know more information, you can leave your comments to us in the comment section. Or any other things you want to know, you can send a private message to us, tell me your requirements. Our assistant will help you to contact with our sales manager. And they will send you our catalog, our price list, our product cases, and so on. Let's see some pictures of the carbonization plant. Here is the carbonization furnace. Inside is the furnace, and outside is the insulation cover. What does the furnace look like? It's just like this picture. We use a boiler plate. Can have a high resistance of the temperature. And this is a furnace. Outside is the insulation cover. This hole linked with the hot wind furnace to get the indirect heating. And what the drawing machine looks like, here is it. A long drawing machine. This is, we take the picture in our factory. And here is what the drying machine look like. In front of the dryer, they may have some swivel plates to make the material goes inside the furnace, and inside it have dipping boards to turn the materials so that material can just contact with the hot air. Because just if some materials, the moisture is very high, so the material they may just clump together. The bulk is to just turning the material to break it down and have the fully contact with the hot air. The drying machine is just inclined it, so that material just is transported forward. Angle of it is 3 to 5 degrees. This is what the drying machine looks like. A broad conveyor. Here is the insulation cover of the machine. This machine was delivered to our customer yesterday. It was now go to Taiwan province. And this is the 3D layout of the carbonization plant. Can you see it clearly? First is this is Chinese. First this is the hello. And then by using the belt conveyor to the drying machine, and then also we will go into the carbonization machine, and it like with the sliding winch. And this is the spraying tower to purify the smoke. This picture we can send you, the English picture for you. This is what the carbonization plant look like. Insulation cover. Here is the capacity for 1 ton per hour. This is a block that to transport the biomass. Okay, let's go back to the catalog. Here's the raw material that we can process. Only this kind of biomass with some sludge or some rubbish, we can also process and get the charcoal. What the charcoal can use for would be the flue, or some purifying materials, or fertilizer, insulation materials, and so on. The wood vinegar and tars, we always just burn them directly. And the waste gas, after purify them, we can also be the heating flue. And the parameters of the equipment. We have 1 ton per day 2 ton, 3 ton per hour's equipment, just for different capacity. Also, we have the smaller one for 1 ton, 2 ton, 5 ton, 7 ton, 10 ton, 15 ton per day. If you need, you can also contact with our engineer. We'll give you this kind of catalog. Here is the product cases. And now we have a customer in more than 120 countries. You can also come to just the product cases next to your countries, or come to China to see our cases and our factory. Here is the feedback. For the equipment, our engineer will help you to install the bug and give you the technical training after the machine just transport to your factory. And about the company profile, our company's name is Henan Doing Environmental Protection Technology. Henan is the province name, and Doing is our company's name. We are comprehensive environmental equipment manufacturer, integrating technological design, research and development, machine production, sales and after-sales service in one. We have our own factory, which in common area for more than 40,000 centimeters. All the equipment is just built in our factory, so you can come here to see the details. This is the factory display and other products. Only we can recycle this kind of waste things. We can also recycle the waste tire, waste plastic by using the pyrolysis plant. And can we also recycle the solar panel, lithium battery by using the crushing and separation equipment. For our service, we have the pre-sale service, on-sale service, and after-sale service. The pre-sale service includes you can visit the production workshop of our factory and one-to-one device configuration scheme and plan the equipment placement site. About the on-sale service, you can check the production of the machine, communicate with the equipment manufacturing progress. After-sale service, we have 1 year warranty and guide equipment installation, debugging, and technical training. Our engineer will come to your factory to finish all the after-sale service. Okay, now let's see some profile of our company. Here is the introduction of our company. We are doing holdings. Let's return to the very beginning. Okay. We have different final products, like different equipment. The carbonization plant, the pyrolysis plant, and the refining plant to refine the waste oil, and the waste lithium battery solar panel recycling plant. This is the company profile. Our office is in Zhengzhou City, in central China, and our factory is located in Jiaozuo City, next to Zhengzhou. Distribution of our company. Now we have a customer in more than 120 countries, just all over the world. We have project cases. is the other equipment, the combination plant, and the pyrolysis plant. Well, this fully continuous pyrolysis plant is a similar technique of the combination plant. The feeding system, the combination system, and the slagging system. But this is to feed the tires rubber powder. And here this is the purification system. In some critical cases, this is the case in India. And also equipped it with the purification system. There are no water pollution, and the gas, we will use the spraying tower to clean them. And then no dust, we will use the cyclone dust collector, the tail gas cleaning system to purify them. Wow. Some honor we have, and some client visit picture, and this is some project cases. So about the 3D layout, you can see this. This is a feeding system, and drying machine, combination machine, slagging winch, purification system, and water pool for the recycling water. The raw material is the coconut shell, plum shell, sawdust, bamboo, corn cob, rice husk, and so on. You can get the charcoal, wood vinegar, tar, waste gas from them. Okay, that is all we have today. If you are interested in this equipment, or want to know more information, want to get the catalog, or just know more information about the business, you can contact with our sales manager. This is Dung Group, the manufacturer of the combination machine. Thank you for watching today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.